Hello guys, welcome to another Tortle Ninja tutorial. Today's topic is about navigation. Uh, Today we're going to talk about how to navigate through all the app to see all the options we have, that are many, and to take the best of Turtle. So let's go. As always, we have to log in with our wallet, and as we are logging, we will will be here at our dashboard. Here at the right, you will have all your recipes, and here at the left, you will have different states and types of recipes. So let's start by raw recipes. Here you can have you can see all the recipes that have been created by the community. Always you can have a title and a description. Remember that in case you like it, you can always clone a recipe. In case you clone it, the recipe will be automatically moved to your recipes. Also, there is another being here that is the failed recipes. When we talk about failed recipes, we talk about recipes that by some reason, normally congestion on the network or something like that, have not been correctly executed. In this case, you can view the details of the of the of the recipe. You can try to retry it. That something works, and you can clone it and cancel it. In case you cancel, all the funds inside of the recipe will be back to your wallet. Also, what we got here is recipes. Here we have the one that we have cloned. Remember that you can clone it again if you want, and also delete it if you don't like it. You can view the details. Remember that when you clone a recipe, it will not be complete. You will have to add certain values, especially the sell points and the buy points, and also the liquidity you want to add. It's very easy, as you see. So you have to do a very few options to do it. And once it's validated, you can always run it. When you run a recipe, remember always that it will move to active recipes. Um, Also, on the next step, we have the liquidated recipes. Liquidated recipes are the ones that have already been done, so they have already been executed. What is interesting of this is that you can see all the details about the execution here at the left. Also, you can go node by node to see what has happened. This is very useful to evaluate the performance and to do micromanagement of the recipe in case you want it. Remember that liquidated recipes can be cloned also and deleted in case you don't want to have it there anymore. And on the last part, we have the active recipes. The active recipes are the ones that are working right now. Remember that you can also view the details. You can clone an active recipe in case you want to do a new version of it while it runs, and you can abort it in case you don't want it to continue. If we go into view details, you can see everything that has already happened, like this and this, and you can see everything that will happen in the future, like this combo trigger that is set to a manual or any other function. Remember that active recipe, you can always abort it, and if there are combo triggers on it, you can always execute it and make it advance. In case you do it, the recipe will advance itself and move a bit. Also, remember that um, you can change the language into English, Chinese, or Vietnamese, and you can always uh, go directly into Phantom Scan to view your address on here. And I think that's basically it. I really hope you like it. I really hope you enjoy Turtle Ninja and you can take the best from it. So this is Javi, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.